In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the business address on a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the address can only be edited from the business page itself, not from your personal profile. After you are on the correct page, look for the About tab and click on it. This section contains the main business information connected to your page. Inside the About area, find the left sidebar and click on Details. This will open the part of the page where your business information, including your location, can be reviewed and updated. Next, scroll down until you reach the Address section. Here you will see the current business address that is listed on your page. Beside that address, click the Edit icon, which appears as a small pencil. This will allow you to make changes to the existing address information. Now enter your new business address carefully. Make sure each part of the address is correct, including the street name, suite number if needed, city, state or region, postal code, and any other required details. A complete and accurate address helps customers find your business more easily and ensures your page information stays up to date. Once the new address has been entered, take a moment to review everything before saving. Check for spelling errors, missing details, or any formatting issues. It is always a good idea to confirm that the address matches your official business location exactly as you want it to appear publicly on Facebook. When you are satisfied with the updated information, click Save. Facebook will then apply the changes to your business page. After saving, stay on the page for a moment and verify that the new address is now displayed correctly. This final check helps confirm that the update was successful and that visitors to your page will see the correct location. If the new address appears as expected, then the update is complete. Your Facebook business page will now reflect your latest business location information, which can help customers reach you more easily and keep your page accurate and professional. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.